I'm just pulling over immediately. Yeah, that was stupid.
Any idea why I pulled you over?
I was going probably just a little fast.
What was the purpose of this? Class A misdemeanor, you'd be going to jail and I'd be impounding your bike.
Oh my God!
You guys done any wheelies yet or what? Have you done any wheelies yet or anything?
Oh no.
Get interested.
Huh?
I said you gotta get interested. You gotta do a wheelie. I'm not gonna pull you over, do it.
Senior Constable Nichols, Wangaratta Highway Patrol. Just a license check and a breath test today. Yep. Is it registered to you?
Yes.
What's no worries. I'll be able to look you up on the system, that's fine.
Oh, you don't need the...
No.
Oh.
No. Just one long continuous breath. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Yep. Breath test fine.
Rider license full and current.
No worries. All right, you have a good night.
All right,
See ya.
thank you.
See you later.
Oh no!
GG's.
Bad timing.
Yeah, so I'm sorry about that.
So you can't travel more than 100 feet in a turn lane.
How much is it? How far did you say that was?
You were probably about 300 to 400.
Okay.
Here's the problem. I'm not going to write you a ticket. You're being totally cool. You pulled right over it. Here's the problem is people who are doing it legally, and I usually ride a motor actually, so I totally get what you're doing. But people who are doing it legally, they're going to go in and they don't pay attention around here, and they're going to smoke you, and it's going to be your fault.
Totally understand.
So
yeah.
I'm not going to write a ticket, but next time just wait until you're within that 100 feet, then jump in there.
Yes, sir.
Fair enough?
I appreciate
All right,
that.
you have a good day.
Our friend has a flat tire. Yeah, we're trying to get air. We're trying to do a pit stop real quick. I don't know. We're just riding around. Yeah, we're not with them. We're by ourselves. Of course. Of what? It's just us. Well, here is just us. Oh, yeah. Of course. Yeah, we're just trying to fix his bike. He got a flat right now. Where's? Hey you.
Hey you.
I wonder what bikes that was. He's like, be safe. There's other bikes running around.
Son of a... Nope, I'm just pulling over immediately. Yeah, that was stupid. We shouldn't have done that one. Let's see how this goes. Hopefully we just get a warning. It's a good thing we bought insurance today. That's unfortunate. Out of all things, an Ogden cop. Let's just hope he gives me a break.
How's it going?
Good, how are you?
Good. Any idea why I pulled you over?
I was going probably just a little fast.
What was the purpose of this?
So, can I be completely transparent with you? So, we just got back from being out of state for like a week. I've had my bike being worked on since then. The quick shifter, the shifter down here, just lets me shift without using a clutch. It's been messing up, so I'm trying to get a little higher RPMs because that's when it'll shift. So it's just giving me issues. That was literally my only pull of the night. That was stupid. I didn't even look.
How fast do you think you got?
I have no idea. I was in second gear, so I'm not sure too much.
All right, you got your driver's license, proof of insurance on you.
Yes, sir. I just got insurance, so it's on my. I have like the number.
You can have it on your phone.
Awesome.
Parole, anything like that?
Say that. Sorry.
Are you on probation or parole?
Oh no, sir. No, sir.
That you're aware of?
No.
All right.
Here's this for you. I don't know if you need this anymore.
So you.
Okay. Damn, tickets. Can I ask what you clocked me at?
Okay. Literally just today.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't get to ride very often, so
Here's your ID.
thank you, sir.
So I'm actually just giving you a warning on the speed.
Oh my dude, you're such a pimp. Thank you.
Listen, today I'm cutting you a break.
Thank you.
So I don't know if you're familiar with speed contests or exhibition of speed on
Uh,
the highway. So familiarize yourself with that code.
Okay.
What that is if you are speeding, so exhibition of speed, so if you accelerate fast to show off,
Okay, yeah.
exhibition of speed,
Is that okay?
that is a class A misdemeanor. You'd be going to jail and I'd be impounding your bike.
Oh.
Okay.
Is that what that was basically?
So it's a little gray for me. Which
Okay.
Is why I didn't go with that.
Thank you, sir.
I'm going to do that. I'm going to be 100% certain that that's what you were doing.
Okay.
I cannot, where I was positioned, I couldn't see you coming from the light, so I didn't see how you started off coming out.
Yeah.
From that light.
Right.
I heard you,
Yeah.
which is why I started creeping up.
Yeah.
At that time, you were already passing me at a high rate of speed.
Yeah.
So I wasn't. So I wasn't so much clocking speed,
Mhm.
right?
Just like a visual.
You definitely passed me. And
Yeah.
You acknowledged that you were speeding.
Mhm.
So for that reason, I'm giving you a warning. 'Cause
Okay.
You were being honest with me about it. Had I had more to go off of and seen you coming out from that light,
Yeah.
I'd 100% hit you with the exhibition of speed.
Okay.
Okay?
Awesome.
Do you have any questions of what I'm
No, sir.
warning for?
Thank you.
Okay. I actually don't need a signature from you because it's not a citation.
Okay.
You don't need to contact the court or anything like that. Just slow down.
Okay.
You are now aware of what exhibition of
Hey,
speed.
yes, sir.
Contest is under the same code.
Okay.
The two of you take off in a racing manner. That's speed contest, right?
That would be like considered racing?
Yeah, racing.
Okay.
So, but it's under the same code. Also a class A misdemeanor.
Okay.
So impound and you go to jail.
Oh, gotcha. Okay.
Just let your friends know.
Yeah.
We don't care. You go cruise, dude. Go cruise. Have fun. Be safe. By all means, bro. But do not the speeding, the excessive speeding, the noise, the revving, all that stuff.
Yeah.
That's got to stop.
I gotcha.
Okay.
Thank you.
Any questions?
No, sir. Thank you so much. You as well. Have a good night.